Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs on Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, create a playlist for the songs that you want to download. Once you have your playlist ready, tap on your library at the bottom right of your screen. Select the playlist that contains the songs that you want to download. Now go ahead and tap on the arrow that is pointed downwards. You can only download songs on Spotify if you have Spotify Premium. Once the arrow turns green, it means that you have successfully downloaded a song. And that's it. This is how you download songs on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.